Right now, I'll show you exactly how you can use your iPhone as a selfie timer. So what you'll need for that is, of course, the built-in camera app like this. And probably if you want to have or take a selfie with a timer, you need a place where you put your iPhone. So you either have some kind of stand or some place where you can lean your iPhone towards, but you're going to figure it out. But yeah, the software side of things looks like this. You open up the camera and you go to the selfie mode like this. If you're not in a selfie mode, in the lower portion of the display, you can just flip the camera like this and you'll get to the selfie. In this case, what you have to do is to swipe up from this. So swipe up on the viewfinder and more options are going to show up, which includes the flash, live photos, the aspect ratio, the white balance, as well as the timer. So here is the timer. You click on that, and for now it is turned off. But besides that, you have the option for 3 seconds or 10 seconds. So let me show you what it looks like right now when it's set at 3. So just click on that. 3, 2, 1. And right now it took a selfie of myself with that timer enabled. So whether you choose it to be 3 seconds or 10 seconds, it's not that important, but this is exactly how you can set a timer for a selfie on your iPhone. Besides that, there are also third-party apps. I mean, you can look it up and look up some kind of selfie timer, but I would not really recommend you to do that because it's probably not the best thing. Well, you can, for example, see camera timer, but just see how the app looks. It's not, I don't believe that it's just going to get you better results than the built-in camera. So yeah, you can try it out and see if anything else works better than the built-in camera app, but just do not believe that. So yeah, this is exactly how you can do that. For more videos and tutorials like this one, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the Foxtecc as well. But don't forget to check out the Foxtecc educational platform as well, which I created for free. You can join it for free, and inside you can find some video editing courses, in-depth iPhone guides, and more stuff, which you can watch for free. So definitely go ahead and check it out. For now, thanks a lot. See you guys later.